G'day folks, my name's Keith. I want to show you our anti-flap kit we've purchased through My Generator. We went to the Monday bash late last year and a windstorm come through on us Thursday night and totaled the awning. Had to get it repaired or replaced rather on insurance, which still sent me back a few bucks. So we lashed out and got the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit and 2 centre rafters. It's a great setup. It was easy to put together. There's plenty of videos on YouTube to follow, and so cordless drill and a few screws. Everything comes with it except the drill bit and the drill, obviously. But yeah, it's a game changer. It's not real windy here at the minute. We've had a couple of wind breezes come through, but it's pretty calm. Expect a storm later in the weekend, but anyway, that's it. My Generator. Come to the party. Good stuff. Free delivery.